Okay, so remember sometimes I print off the notes so then I can just draw on them so it's quicker. So let's take a square with side lengths of 1. This square. And cut it in half and scribble off half of it and draw the diagram down below of half of it. Now we cut the squares, angles. First of all, they both still have side lengths of 1. We know that this bottom right left-hand side is 90. And if we cut the 90s in half, we get 45 and 45. It's also a right isosceles triangle. So we know the side lengths are the same, the angles have to be the same. And if we do Pythag, we get the square root of 2 for the opposite side to the 90 degrees. Doing Pythag backwards. This is called a special triangle. We have to memorize this special triangle. It's on your review sheet. Okay, off to the right, let's take half an equilateral triangle. So let's take an equilateral triangle with side lengths of 2. All the angles are the same. Then we're going to cut it in half and get the triangle down below. So the hypotenuse, well, we got a 90 degree now. The hypotenuse is still 2 because that's what it was before. The bottom number is 1 because it was 2 and we halved it. And again, if we do Pythag backwards, we get root 3 for the vertical length. So the bottom left-hand corner was 60 because that's what it was above. The angle at the top, we cut it in half. So it's 60 divided by 230, and Pythag still, 180 degrees still works. Now, a way to remember Big Blue. 60 is bigger than 30. And root 3 is bigger than 1. So logically, 60 must open up to the bigger side. And 30 must open up to the smaller side. So don't memorize both of those. I like to memorize learn through logic. Root 3 is opening from the 60. 60 opens up to the root 3. Now, if we do a whole bunch of SOHCAHTOA, big red at the bottom, there's a whole bunch of ratios that you could memorize. Or don't. Just learn how the triangles work and remember SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so those are our special triangles. We have to memorize both of those special triangles or learn them. And let's use them now.